Okay, we're at gotomath.com. Click on the Algebra Operations with Radicals, and we're going to be looking at 6.2 here. So we have x times the square root of 20x squared minus x times the square root of 45 plus 2 times the square root. We want to try to simplify this thing down here. 2 times the square root of 500. Okay. Let's take a look at this 20. We know 20 is 4 times 5. Of course, there's a square. Alright. And what do we got here? 45 is 9 times 5, but we could write that as, well, we'll write that as 9 times 5. How's that? Plus, and then 100 times 5. And we know that 100 is a square number. Alright, so let's take a look. We got square root of 4 is 2. We're going to bring that up front. And then, of course, we got square root of x squared is x. And then we're going to be left with just the square root of 5. Isn't that amazing? We have a square root of 9, which is 3. So we're going to have 3x. And we can't do anything with 5 under there. We're left with square root of 5. This one here, square root of 100 is 10. 10 times 2 is 20. Now look at here. We got, well, not quite, but we do have 2x squared. Ooh. Yeah, so we have 2x squared, square root of 5 minus 3x, square root of 5 plus 20 square root of 5. The only thing we can do here is factor out the square root of 5. So we're going to have 2x minus 3x plus 20 times square root of 5. That's really all we can do. You can factor out the square root of 5. You know, do what you want, I guess, with that. All right, let's take another look. Let's take another look at another problem. Here at gotomath.com. We're through. See the square root of 3x to the 5th plus the square root of 12x y to the 4th plus 27 x z to the 4th. Alright. Okay, what are we going to do here with this guy? We're going to go do that. Plus 12 is 3 times 4. 4 is a square number. And y to the 4th. Plus, let's see, what is 27? 9 times 3. C to the 4th. Okay. So we have the square root of 3 times the square root of x to the 4th. Okay, we can't do anything with that, but the square root of x to the 4th is going to be x squared. So, I think that's about all we can do there. Plus, and we got the square root of 4, which is 2, and then the square root of x to the 4th is going to be y. That's not an x, that's a y. Y squared. Square root of, yeah, 3x will be left. Plus, we have the square root of 9 is 3. And square root of z to the 4th is going to be z squared. And that's going to be the square root of 3x. So what do we do now? Factor out that square root of 3x. So we're going to have x squared plus 2y squared plus 3z squared, and we're just going to pull out the square root of 3x just because we can. Alright, just because we can. Okay, so we're over here at gotomath.com. That was 6.2, I believe, and I will see you in the next problem.